My name is Volker Raguse. I work for NordLB and I'm project manager at NordLB. Our FEM project was planned to have an up-to-date Murex system in NordLB because our system was quite old. We had a 2.10 version, which is about 10 years old. Major challenges around the upgrading, I think, are that the database of the system will quite largely change. The other thing is the migration sequence is a long time running sequence and a lot of steps. And the third big point, I think, is that the people need to understand the new system.
I'm Adam Weil, I'm the Head of Financial Services for Excelian. Nord is a very large Murex user. They were on their own branch of Murex, and this migration took them from a 2.10 version to a 3.1. It was an early migration, it was one of the first, and Murex and Excelian dovetailed their methodology and evolved ways of working together with the client to ensure that it was very successful.
NordLB has taken the FEM approach for the migration because it was also advised from Murex, and they at the beginning we had a row of workshops which were held by Murex, and they took out the pieces and chunks which needs to be decided at the beginning, and we had the experience of MX.3 from Excelian because it wasn't available at NordLB because we didn't use MX.3 beforehand and we had no experience of any migration. And apart from this, the FEM migration was done, the design at the beginning, the build in the middle, and the testing at the end. So Excelian had all the experts we needed for the project. So we needed the MX.3 knowledge and we needed the support in the project. And for every package we needed in the project, we received the relevant expert. And also if someone was left during the project, we got good replacement within time and within our plans.
My name is John Williamson. I work at Excelian and I run the test automation here. So collaboration with Murex is key to the success of any project of this size. The scope is refined and discussed with Murex. Going forward, if you have close collaboration with Murex and a good relationship, you're able to establish exactly which areas need to be targeted the most.
Part of the design is the collaboration between the client, Murex, and the integrator. There are a number of streams, 8 streams, of which our stream leads work very closely with the Murex stream lead. What was very key for us was the integration at the testing and deployment and integration streams to ensure that everything came together as we moved towards the successful completion of the project.
Testing is the linchpin that brings together all of the different streams of the project. The back office, the front office, the reporting, all of these areas are met. The Smart Suite of tools enables you to accelerate that process, to bring together those different streams and work out how they integrate with each other and how the testing can affect the different areas.
We use the Smart Suite for testing support, which is a powerful testing tool, and we mainly entered deals with it during all our test iterations. We've done it very often to enter deals, and so we have reduced the effort on the business side to enter these deals manually, which was a big benefit on our project. Excelian and Murex, they work quite perfectly together. There was always a quite short communication in between, and for me as a project manager it was even surprisingly that from time to time I can't even tell is this a Murex guy or is this an Excelian guy, because a lot of the people work in Paris, a lot of the people work in London, and there's quite a good mixture. So for me it's quite perfect.